So
They are having to complain that when are you coming back?
ever since Beintaha ended, I always had a project in hand. I was always in a contract with some company or the other, but I could never, it never went through for the producers, however big they were big names. And now the show that I am committed to has been a long commitment. Like it's been so long that I've said that it's not love ka hai intezar, it is show ka hai intezar. Totally, because when you do South films, you don't get recognized elsewhere, you know. But today, if I go out, people say, "Oh, you are that girl, Alia." You know, they still remember you by your character name. And television has more memory, you know, than films, because you could be one film old, but still a TV actor who's one television old would end up having more recognition value or say fan value. So, and that's happened with me.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
mashallah. That really depends on destiny. Because, you know, I believe that for actors to come together, you require a large amount of destiny, and no matter what you do, it can't happen if it's not destined. So, you know, we worked so hard, and we worked for 16-17 hours minimum every day for almost one.
16, 17.
That was minimum. The maximum went up to 36 hours without sleep, which I had shot. My fans know about it. So what happens is that when we shoot so much, day, night, wearing the same outfit, playing the same character, as an actor, it gets very monotonous.
Right.
Because you end up doing every day something else, every day some new challenge, new scene. How much more can you do, you know? So when there's a break, and then you come back as someone else, that's refreshing.
Right.
Especially for a television actor, because that's a long time of work. It's like doing 40 movies, you know. In one stretch, it's like doing 40 movies, because movie में जैसे मैं always कहती हूँ, it's 2 hours of edited footage, but here it is 20 minutes of edited footage from Monday to Saturday, Monday to Friday for a year. So if you just count it, it's like 40 films or more than that. A lot of work. So yeah, break तो बनता है and थोड़ा change तो बनता है. मैं प्लान करती हूँ, बट मेरा ऐसा मानना है कि कभी कभी कितना भी प्लान करो, it doesn't go according to what we have planned. Sometimes things just happen, you know. कब किसका कॉल आ जाए, क्या हो जाए, it's not in our hands. So it's not about trying, it's just about luck, especially in my field. That's what I feel. अब तक तो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ with whatever success I have got, and इंशाल्लाह और मिल जाए. Remake.
Yeah.
Maybe मैं हूँ ना, I think. Yeah. I try to be happy. Of course, the last few months have been very difficult for me, and there are times when, you know, you get a little bogged down. Ki why am I not getting well, or why is everything at a standstill? But then it's the love of people that just keeps you going. It's the love of your family, your friends, and I'm blessed with all of that. So yeah. उनके लिए जितना कहूँ उतना कम है. You know, like after Beintaha ended, they have patiently waited for me for so many months and months. Every day they make some artwork for me, write something beautiful for me, still call me their idol. And I keep saying, I can't do that for anyone else. You guys, salute you with both my hands. Hi, this is Preetika Rao, and you're watching me on Glitz Vision. Do subscribe.